How to fix cannot connect to App Store on iPhone. So let's see. Step 1, set automatically date and time. Open phone setting, then open general settings. Scroll down. Here open date and time. Set automatically. Just turn on this setting automatically. Then go back. Step 2, turn off VPN. In general setting, you can scroll down and see VPN and device management settings. Open this. Turn off if VPN configuration is on, just turn off this. Then go back. Step 3, reset network settings. In general settings, you can see transfer or a reset iPhone. Just reset network settings. Give phone password, then reset network settings. Phone will be restart. In this way you can fix App Store successfully. Thanks for watching.